CTO at RoboFlow, and I'm here with Jacob, a machine learning engineer at RoboFlow, for ML in a Minute. Jacob, what is OpenVINO?
So OpenVINO is a machine learning framework published by Intel to allow you to run machine learning models on their hardware. Namely, one of their most popular hardware deployment options is a VPU, a vision processing unit. So you need to be able to convert your model into OpenVINO to be able to then run it in an optimized fashion with Intel.
And is there an easy way to get an OpenVINO model to play with?
Yeah, certainly. So RoboFlow enables developers to deploy their models to the edge. So OpenVINO is one of these frameworks.
Great, and that's ML in a Minute. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more and level up your machine learning knowledge, like and subscribe because this is a whole series of videos all about machine learning and computer vision.